Welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And if you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I'm going to share with you a few easy DIY Halloween decor items that I made using Dollar Tree supplies. The first one we're going to be making is really simple, and you can use it not only in the kitchen but in the bathroom as well. And we're going to go ahead and grab one of these glass jars from Dollar Tree, and these are like the pumpkin glass jars. On the lid, all you're going to do is get something sharp. I just got some little scissors and just poked a hole and kind of carefully made an opening where the soap dispenser pump will fit into that opening. Then you're going to use some E6000 and just add some E6000 all around the pump, and you're going to go ahead and put it onto that lid. Now let this completely dry before you take it out and spray paint it. And I'm just going to spray paint it with this copper color, and go ahead and give it one good coat, let it completely dry, and then do it again. Then you're going to bring it in and add your soap or even some lotion if you want to use this for lotion as well, and go ahead and put it into your jar, and there you have it, an adorable soap dispenser. And I decided to take it a step further and just add some few fall leaves and also a little jute twine just to make it more fun and festive for fall. Our next DIY, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use one of these glass candle trays, and then as well as one of these pink skulls. Now you can leave it pink and then spray paint the glass tray pink and just have a really pretty pink Halloween decor that way. Or what I decided to go ahead and do that fits more my decor is I'm going to go ahead and spray paint both things this copper gold color. And once I spray painted and let it all completely dry, I brought it in and I went ahead and added some E6000 onto that skull head and went ahead and added that to the center of my glass. And then just go ahead and let this completely dry again, at least overnight or a few hours. And there you have your second DIY. Our third one, again, keeping with the fall and Halloween, I went ahead and grabbed one of these glass candle trays as well as one of these margarita cups. And I spray painted both of them matte black. Went ahead and grabbed my E6000 again and put that on top of the martini glass. And just give it a really good coat of that E6000. I like using E6000 for anything that I'm going to use for glass, just because it just holds everything nice and secure, and it's really, really good, so it'll last a few years. Then I went ahead and added my tray onto that, my martini, and as you noticed, it was matte black, and I put the spray painted side towards the bottom, so you're going to see the top of my candle holder glossy, because that's the glass part. And I did that because I know I'm going to have a candle on here, and I didn't want that spray paint to bubble up with that candle, so went ahead and put that on the spray painted side on the bottom. Then just to keep with that, I went ahead and put one of these spider webs, little, I guess your little decor pieces that I got from Dollar Tree in a package. And I'm just going to do that, add that onto my candle holder with some hot glue. But you can use anything Halloween, from skulls to just a spider web or even some bows and ribbons if you'd like. Go ahead and let everything completely dry, and there you have it. You can even use this for a dessert tray, like a dessert table would be really adorable as well. Our next one, I wanted to use that trend where you just go to the thrift store and pick up, a vintage canvas painting and add ghosts to it. Well, I did it my way with a DIY canvas painting, and I just went ahead and added some ghosts to this adorable teacup canvas painting that I found at Dollar Tree. Now they have quite a few of them. They even have some of them that are like a set of 4, and I think that would be really adorable if you wanted to add them to the wall or something like that. This one I'm actually going to add just onto a bookshelf. So I love the size of this canvas. I just went ahead and just added as many ghosts as you want. I added about 3 of them to mine. And then while those ghosts are completely drying, I'm going to go ahead and grab some of the black paint, and I'm going to add what I want to call some crows or just little birds onto my canvas as well. I think this DIY is so adorable. It can be something that you can make very modern, very chic and fun, or you can do it very fun and festive and just let the kids do this and add ghosts to theirs and decorate their rooms as well. So here's my attempt at painting some birds or crows, whatever you want to call them, onto the canvas painting as well. Just take your time and have fun with these paintings. Once I was done adding my birds, I went ahead and just did the little eyes and mouth onto each one of my ghosts. And then when I was done with that, you can basically finish there. But I thought it added and it needed just a little bit more of that spooky look to this canvas painting. So what I decided to do was just use that same black and white paint and add some black flowers by tracing the flowers that already existed on this canvas. And you're going to see where I'm just going to go ahead and just paint over that red pinkish color flower to make it into a black flower. And then once I got done painting some of the flowers, I decided to go ahead and add some black to the bird to make it look more as a crow bird as well. So once you're done painting and decorating your canvas, just go ahead and let it completely dry. Now you can add a layer of Mod Podge on top of this if you want to keep it for a longer season or for more years. I'm just going to use this for maybe for 1 or 2 years. So I just left it as is. I just made sure I let it completely dry before I touched any of that canvas. So I hope you liked and enjoyed all these easy DIY Halloween decor ideas. If you did, again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.